Look, we recently had a client complain while we were doing a kitchen remodel. They were new to the house and they could hear the downstairs residents on a two-family talking. And since we were remodeling their kitchen, this was the time to act, right? So basically, when folks think about residential noise or soundproofing, they're typically looking to absorb sound and deal with echo and reverberation problems. And when you think about what is noise control, well, noise control is basically an active or passive means of reducing sound emissions. For example, most people want to achieve this internally on their house because maybe the kid's got a drum set or they've got a home theater, or maybe they live near an airport and it's external noise, something like that. The first steps, or a step I should say, is to accurately diagnose the source of the noise you want to reduce. So when you think about reducing noise, with maybe inside the home, you need to consider reverberation reduction. Now, when I talk about reverberation reduction, that's basically the echo that sound creates as it bounces off surfaces rather than just being absorbed into something, a material. There are 4 basic principles of noise control. The first one is the easiest one. It's sound insulation. Then there's sound absorption, vibration dampening, and vibration isolation. I get into this way more detail in a soundproofing article that I wrote on the ConcordCarpenter.com homepage. Check it out. So back to our story with our client. We chose sound insulation, and we did that by adding mineral wool insulation into the floor joist, double layered. It's called Safe and Sound. It's by Rockwool, and it helps absorb noise transmission by providing a mass barrier. Basically soaks up and disrupts the noise. These bats have high density disrupting properties, and it basically cut the noise more than half, which was awesome. It was a win for us. Guys, that's it. If you'd like to learn more, check out that article on my homepage. I'll see you next week. Take care.